Hey, welcome to another video from SkinnyMedic. So my first after action report medical video, overall, it was a success. You guys overall liked it. Got some really good positive feedback on it and got some really good negative feedback on it. So we're going to take both and we're going to keep doing these series. Also, I'm going to keep doing my other videos, keep doing medical review videos and stuff like that. But you guys like these after action report videos. So here's another one for you. So we're going to watch the clip and then I'll kind of break it down for you and kind of show you what's going on. This is a little shorter clip, a little easier to do, but it shows some really good anatomy. So, stay tuned. So this video popped up on Instagram this week. It was like tourniquet or no tourniquet, and huge discussions over on the North American Rescue and some other Instagram pages. This video popped up on. There was like tons of threads going on there about people saying put a tourniquet on, don't put a tourniquet on. So I thought it was a really cool video for you guys to take a look at. And honestly, I don't have the source of the video. If I find the source, or if you guys know who posted the video, I'll be more than happy to give them credit for the video. But I don't have a source of the video. But North American's Instagram says this is from a small child who was cutting an avocado and slipped and cut their hand. So what I thought was most interesting about this video is it shows an arterial bleed. This child did hit an artery in their hand, so you can see it squirting out. This is arterial. Remember that arterial is a high pressure system. It's oxygenated blood coming away from the heart, so it's under a high pressure system. If it was a venous bleed, it would be oozing blood. It would be dark in color because it's deoxygenated. So let's talk about the Instagram question, tourniquet or no tourniquet. My first impression is this doesn't need a tourniquet. And you guys know I'm all about tourniquets. I don't think it does. If you've seen the video here, the child is controlling the bleeding with direct pressure. Not even like hard direct pressure, just looks like good steady direct pressure, and this child is controlling the bleeding. So I don't think it necessarily needs a tourniquet. A point to take away from this video is that children are not small adults as far as anatomy and physiology. Adults have large muscle mass, they have fat built up, so it takes more pressure to control bleeding. Kids, their veins and arteries are very close to the surface, and they typically don't have a lot of muscle mass, a lot of fat mass, so you can control their bleeding a lot easier with direct pressure, pressure bandage, things like that. This child is doing a great job holding pressure. So if it were bleeding a little bit more, an adult with a little bit stronger could hold direct pressure here. Another thing I saw brought up on the Instagram feed on this was about tourniquets high and tight. And you guys, that's another dead horse. We can beat it to death, but whatever. So someone said high and tight. There's no really need to put a tourniquet high and tight on this kid. Okay, tourniquets hurt. Okay, you guys know that. If you put one on yourself, they hurt. So if you do choose to put a tourniquet on this, there's no need to put it high and tight. You can see the injuries in the hand. 3 inches above the wrist is just fine. And then whole double bone thing. That's been debunked a long time ago. You can. So, I don't think this one needs a tourniquet. You know, there's plenty of discussion on it. I think you're doing a great job holding direct pressure here. That's what we're taught. That's what we're teaching EMTs and paramedics, first responders right now is let's try good quality direct pressure first. And then if you can't, put a tourniquet on it. But at least try to hold some direct pressure first. So I hope this video helps. You never know when you'll be the first responder. Remember the right gear and the right training. So I medical overall was a success. Can't talk. I'm okay with the negative feedback as long as it's constructional.